Hello guys, so today we are going to talk about this Belimo Actuator. We are going to talk about the connection, electrical connection, how it is connected inside this terminal, and so basic operation of this Belimo Actuator. Okay, so this actuator, this has a DC motor which is brushless, so it is electronically protected against overload. So the supply voltage here, let me zoom in. The supply voltage here is AC 24 volts to 240 volts. We can use DC also, which is from 24 volts to 125 volts DC, and the frequency should be 50 or 60 Hz. So for our operation, we are using 240 volts. We've connected 240 volts to this actuator. That's our required voltage we need. Okay, so inside this actuator has a smart heater with thermostat. It protects it against condensation. It eliminates the condensation. Okay, there are two auxiliary switches which is provided, and one is standard. It is set to 12.5 degrees open, and the other one is field adjusted, meaning we can set our own. We can set it to our own preference. Okay, so let me zoom in. You see this, it has an NFC. Okay, and it's NFC function. So with this function, we can use it to adjust the running time from 30 to 120 seconds using the NFC app and then a smartphone. So this is pretty much easy to program. Yeah, and here we have this the display. I'll say it will show you the percentage at which this actuator it is open, but this one provides a 95 degrees rotation, and this visual indicator will show the position. Yeah. So if we can also check the opening status, if it is open or closed, by using this. Okay, so you can observe from afar if this actuator is open or closed. When it is open, it will be it will come this way. Okay, it will be in the horizontal mode, but when it is closed, it will be in a vertical position. So this is also an indicator. Okay. And we can manually open. We can manually open this actuator by using this key, and then we put it here. Okay, so as we see over here, when we go this way it is closed, when we go this way it is open. So let's see. So if you observe this indicator, the visual indicator, you can see that it is open. Okay, you can see that it is open. So I'm opening it to full 90. It has 95 degrees rotation. So now it is fully open. So I have to manually close it back. Yeah, so it is closing. And if you can see over here, this in the handle is also moving to its closed position. Yeah, so now it is fully closed. You remove it, you keep the handle here, then you close the cover. Okay, and we installed it outdoor because our chiller is outside, so we installed it horizontal. But when installing it indoors, you can position it at any angle. You can even position it upside down. There's no problem with that. And this type, we can also connect them in parallel, meaning we can combine 2 or more of this actuator. But when doing that, we need to observe the current draw and then the impedance, okay, so as to provide a maximum operation. Okay, so we'll open this terminal cover. We open it, then we will see how the wires are connected in this terminal. So let's open this electrical terminal connection cover. And guys, when you are working on such equipment, you need to make sure there is no power supply. And if it requires to work on live equipment, you have to be very, very careful. Okay, you have to be competent. Then you can competent enough to work on live equipment. But for now, our actuator is off. There is no power supply, so we can just go ahead and then open it. Okay, so guys, this is the connection in this actuator. Okay, so guys, here we have our feedback connected here, and then we have our neutral here, and our line, our hot cable here, and this Y1 and Y2, they are the command. Okay, and the neutral cable, it is looped. It is looped over here. And of course, we have our earthing or ground cable connected. Okay, so as I said earlier, there is no power supply. If there is a power supply, this indicator, it will glow. This indicator will show an amber color or yellow color. It will glow. And if it is starting, here it will also show, okay, the status will glow. So far as there's no indicator, it means it is off. But to be sure, you need to check the voltage. Okay, you need to check with a multimeter or a tester to see if there's a voltage coming here before you can touch it like this. Okay, and here we have our communication ports, but since we are not going to use those, we are only using this terminals. Okay, that's why we've connected it this way. Okay, so guys, basically that is it for our Belimo Actuator. Okay, so see you in our next video. We will explain the further HVAC related instruments.